name's Richard with Richline Appliance Parts, and I've got something pretty interesting to share with you. If you have a Frigidaire refrigerator that has an ice dispenser through the door, and the ice dispenser is like only giving you cubed ice or makes a rattle sound up front of the ice bucket, this one, when I looked it up, was $220 retail. I scratched my head and I'm like, why so much? Why don't they offer repair parts? They used to. Hint, they used to. I think what they've done is just altered the cover. Because when I took the cover off, of course there's screws involved. This is the problem. This flapper is broken. So why don't they sell just this? They do. The old part number is 241-885-001. I just got this one in. And this one actually has the paddle. Are they identical? They sure look to be. When I match them up, they sure look to be. So I'm going to put this one on. I bet you it solves the problem. I did not go ahead, I did not take all of the teeth and covers off. So I believe that what we can do is put this on. There's a notch right here that this goes back into. And then we got to line up the hole. And replace your hook right here. It's got to go in the crevice right there. Then we're going to take the screws that had the real fine threads. Those are for the metal section. Lightly thread it. The other one, you match that up with the metal. Turn it backwards until you hear a click. Just snug. Hear that? Now go forward. So far so good. Let's keep going. Okay. Now that the housing's set, go ahead and just snug them up. They don't have to be over tight, just snug. Now we have to put our spacer back on along with the C-clip. To do that, spacer, C-clip. What I like to do when I do the C-clip is turn it to where the shaft is flat on top. And I'll show you why here in 1 second. I had to get a pair of needle nose pliers because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the needle nose pliers, I'm going to hook right there on the flat part of the shaft, and then grab it, squeeze down, and there it is. Then rotate the assembly, make sure it's free. Now we got to put the spring back here. Okay, in order to do that. Now it relaxes, I believe, in that position. Okay, now what we have to do is reset the spring. We're going to unscrew this. Okay, once we remove it, you're going to take your spring and you're going to round it around. Let's see. Once you release it, take the spring and push it clockwise around. Hold it with your finger. Slide it down to where it's over the plastic nipple. Push down and reinstall your screw. Like so. Again, go backwards. You don't want to strip out the plastic. Kind of hear it vibrate. Gently turn clockwise and snug it down. And now, when you push the rod, that opens. And now we can go ahead and put our cover back on. Just kind of put it down on the bottom. And then turn it back upright. Turn it upright and use the coarse threaded screws to go back into the plastic. See how I go backwards? It's set. Gently go forwards. Sometimes you have to maneuver it where you want to actually get to work on it. Line up the housing, go backwards, there it went in. Do not use a screw gun. I do not like to use a screw gun because you'll strip it. And I like to go by feel. It doesn't have to be overly tight. You just want it to be on there snugly. Or just snugly. Wasn't that a cartoon character, Snuggly? Now you have these two up top you have to do. Same thing. That. And don't forget the last two screws, here and here. They're the small ones, little points. Double check it. Rotate it. And that'll save you a ton of money. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. And you know what? I sure could use some subscribers. If you hit the subscribe button, that doesn't mean you have to fill out a form. It just means you're a fan. Oh, and don't forget to press that like button. And until next time, take care, save money, and get your appliances working properly. Bye-bye.